Hi, I'm Jeff, Medical Equipment Specialist, the ATPN staff. And a question we get a lot of times is, how do I know my power chair motor is good? Well, here's some suggestions that you can check at home and to see if you're having an issue with the motors. First thing you want to see is, are the motors warm to touch? Just feel the motors on this Permobil M3, they're up here in front. On yours, they may be located towards the back or the middle. If they're hot to touch, that's not normal and there is an issue. The second thing is the smell. Do you smell any metal burning? That could be an issue with the motors also. So you want to check the smell. Also listen for sound. Is there metal rubbing? Is there anything grinding? Those are another telltale sign that there's a problem with the motor. So if you have those issues, what you need to do is contact your authorized provider or contact us at Medical Equipment Specialists. We'll be more than happy to come out and take a look. Thank you.